What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, ladies and fellas in the back? I see y'all. Nique here, and I'm back with another video. Oh my goodness, I missed you so much. I hope everything is going good for you, boo. As you read in that title, we are doing a walkthrough today, which I'm so excited. I have been sick, hence I haven't uploaded in a week or so, but I'm back now. Anyways, thank y'all so much for hanging with me and sticking with me and supporting me. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, boo. Anyways, I want to start off the video while I'm at my place right now before we get to the new house, because I just wanted to update y'all before we get into the walkthrough, before I get around a whole bunch of people, a whole bunch of stuff going on. So we're supposed to be moving in a couple of days, which will be like 5-6 days from now. So that's why we're doing a walkthrough today. It's so crazy because I went over to the house like the other day and I already noticed that the garage is not the right color. They have that brown, it's supposed to be black. Girl, I already know. I talked to the people, so they're supposed to be changing that to black. They're still missing shutters on the garage. I'm gonna show y'all when we get there, but it's just a couple of little things that they need to, you know, get together before we move in. Nothing really major, which is a good thing. So yeah, I guess I'll give y'all a little fit check real quick. I got on this blouse on that I got from C'est La Vie a while ago. I am going to wear it with some black tights, and I'm going to wear it with these like black biker boots, I call them, whatever. They're really cute. Anyways, I'm gonna wear with this with a black pea coat. You already know most of my stuff is packed up, so it was so hard for me to even throw an outfit together. It was crazy, girl. I mean, look, y'all seen the last vlog. We've been packing up, boo. We ready to go. The closet is pretty much packed all up. Why the heck I use Huggy boxes? My mama talking about, I got some moving boxes for you, girl. They Huggies. Like, what? Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all. I really have been packing up. Like, I'm ready to get up out of here, okay? Packed up the pantry yesterday, taking a couple of things with me, but that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and get over to the house so we can start this walkthrough. So excited. I hope you're excited too. Hit that like button if you still got your Christmas tree up, bruh. Hit that like button if you've been riding with me from day one. I really appreciate it. All right, let's go. I'm running my mouth. We late. All right, we here now, y'all, doing the inspection, just waiting on my dad and the inspector. But like I was telling y'all, that door is supposed to be black. That's already wrong. And we still missing black shutters right there. In this front room right here, issue. Don't know what it is. Right now we walking through seeing what's wrong. Okay, y'all, so at this point I was getting my inspector gadget on, okay? So I couldn't really talk and record at the same time. It was a lot going on, but I'm gonna just put y'all on really quick. So I know how they love to put these good lines in the carpet, but make sure you're checking the seams of the carpet, because what I've noticed is it was like a little issue right there where it's like they put, I don't know, I can't really explain it, but make sure you're checking the carpet. Make sure the carpet is meeting the wall and not no dents or anything in it or holes in it. And then also what I'm showing you right here is where I am picking out the paint, where any chip paint was. And also when you get into the bathrooms, make sure the caulk is right. Make sure you're running the water. Make sure the water is not clogging up like you need some Drano or something. Make sure you're flushing the toilets as well. Also, even when you're in the pantry kitchen area, make sure the shelves are even. So I made it back home. I'm in the kitchen about to get ready to eat, but I was like, let me cut on the camera so I can give y'all a little bit more insight of what was going down in the building. Like, I mean, because I was running around sticking everything, child. Everything got a dang on sticker up in there, I'm pretty sure. Well, I'm not gonna say that. It wasn't a lot of errors in the house, but it was a lot of stuff that they could have took a little bit more time with, I think. And it was, what was so crazy is the manager guy that was walking around the house with us, I'm not gonna say he was trying to take my attention off of the errors, but he was definitely trying to talk a lot. And I'm like, sir, I don't have time to talk. I need to go around and put stickers, okay? So that's tip number one. If the guy that, the manager or the site manager that's walking you around the house, don't let him talk to you, girl. Go and walk around and check everything you need to check, because these people will talk to you, you be done missed the spot. So I was just like, he talking in one ear out the other. I need to go see the house. I can see. I don't need you to tell me nothing. I can see what I need to see. So anyways, boom, let me just run y'all through. the whole spiel, right? So we get in the house, you know, he trying to talk to us, and then I'm like, just hand me the stickers, hand me the tape. So I'm guessing the green was to fix the drywall and the blue was to fix the paint errors or whatever. But girl, at this point, we didn't care what was to pick what. Y'all see the sticker there, y'all know what's the error, fix it. So it was just a couple of minor things. I'm not gonna say it was nothing like that was major that needed to be fixed, but I would say check your paint. Always check the paint, because it seems like they just want to just hurry up and get the paint job done. I don't know why, but definitely check the paint in the house. Make sure you're checking the sockets. Oh my gosh, make sure you check the sockets, the outlets, make sure they all work. Plug some in every socket, make sure those work. Make sure you're jumping up and down on the flooring. You ain't hearing no rattling, no shaking, no, you know what I'm saying. Make sure that flooring is right. It was a part in the carpet where we felt like it was like a seam going through the middle of the carpet or whatever that wasn't really supposed to be there. So make sure you're checking your carpet. Make sure that the carpet is reaching up to the wall, because we was feeling like, okay, why is it a hole, not a hole, but it was like a little space in between the carpet and the wall. So we like, okay, it don't really look right, and it was in a lot of areas in the house. So whenever you're going through your walkthrough, just make sure you're checking the carpet. Make sure the carpet is meeting the wall at least. It shouldn't be no gap right there. I don't know why the heck he was trying to basically make it seem like, oh, like that's not a big deal. It was a big deal to me. So I pointed that out. That was an issue. Make sure you're checking that. Make sure you're running that water. Make sure you're flushing the toilets. Make sure you are checking the sink, like the countertops, like the granite. And I was even saying something about that. If that line is not straight, if that seam is not straight and it's like looking all rigged and bumpy, I pointed that out. I would point it out. And a lot of issues that I was pointing out, well, not a lot, but a couple of issues that I was pointing out, he wanted to make it seem like, oh, okay, well, you know, everything's not going to be perfect. But I genuinely feel like y'all want perfect money. Y'all want the perfect amount of money for this house, right? Like, I can't just come to the table and say, oh, we got the money, but it's not the perfect amount. Like, what you mean it ain't the perfect amount? So it's like, no, I don't care about it. It ain't going to be perfect. Now, I know things are not going to be perfect, but if I say I want it fixed, don't tell me it ain't gonna be perfect. Just fix it, because if we paying our money for it, just fix it, period. So I would make sure, like I was saying before, I just want to go off on the old boy. Make sure you have your caulk around, you know, the bathtub and the sink area. Our inspector, which was my cousin as well, he helped us out a lot. He was a big help, you know, with certain things that we were like not even thinking about, like the caulking around the sinks and the tubs. That could, you know, go into the carpet if it's a flood or anything like that. So make sure you're you have caulk around the sinks, caulk around the tub area. What else is it? Make sure you open up all them cabinets, open up all the drawers, open up all the pantry doors. Make sure that paint is good. Make sure those shelves are level. Make sure you are flying a drone in the air. Good thing my cousin had a drone, which I am going to get some drone footage. I'll probably save the drone footage for the empty house tour, but we got some drone footage of the roof. Make sure you're checking the roof because it was missing a shingle, which I'm glad I pointed out. Checking the heating, checking everything. Make sure you're checking the gutters. Make sure you are checking the, you know, the shutters. Make sure those are on right. Make sure the paint is right. They said they're going to change our garage door to black and our front door to black. So hopefully that, you know, gets done ASAP. Hopefully they're working on all this little stuff this week and going into next week, because it's supposed to be moving, like I said, on Wednesday, which is a couple days from now. So hopefully they can get those little issues fixed. But other than that, I feel like everything looks pretty good. I think of anything else that I could tell you guys to look out for, I'll leave it in the description box below. I'm definitely going to do some more research or whatever, just so I can give you guys a whole breakdown of what you should look for. That way you can just screenshot it and take it with you through your inspection. So yeah, if I didn't, you know, say what you should be looking out for in the video, you'll have it in the description box down below. So make sure you check that. Right about now, I'm about to go ahead and just relax, y'all. You know, today was a long day. It was a lot going on. I want to say thank y'all so much for hanging with me today. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for all the support. I'm going to be hitting y'all up with the empty house tour as the next video, so stay tuned for that. I hope you like this video for me. Give it a big thumbs up. Anyways, thank you so much, boo, for hanging with me today. Like I just said, I just want to say it again because I miss you so much. I'm gonna see you in the next video though, so stay tuned. Bye. Mwah.